640.
So this is the room. It's just a simple room with aircon, nothing special. 2 nights here. It's kind of strange. And this is the toilet. Where's the light? And we are staying here for 2 nights. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, their toilet light is here. Where's the shower? Oh, here. Shower is here. Strange room. Hindi kita. Oh, the one by the sea. It's going inside there. Oh my gosh. Ang sarap naman.
Probably pro-Chinese activists.
Yeah.
Samar sa Samar.
Dolores.
Sa Dolores ka mo?
Oo.
Taga-Tacloban mang.
Oh, ikaw? Ay, nanihirarayo ka ga. Ang layo mo. Dito ka na nakatira.
Manggod ako naka-menu.
Kaya pala.
Ano na lang ako.
Pabalik-balik.
Balik lang ka sa mga. Ali manggod kami sa kuan an Romalvis ba?
Ay, oo.
Ma'am, salamat.
Sige, salamat. Tanghalian ko, sweet corn. Malagkit na sweet corn daw. Cook sweet corn. Still hot. Cold coffee. I've got cold coffee. And the syrup is separate. And Mark is having a mango. And the kids.
Hello, boys. All right. Oh. You got
Chicken
yellow,
sandwich.
pink, green or black? Pink, isn't it?
Of course. We're using the pole. It's nice. It's cold. It's deep. It's nice. We're the only people here in swimming pool, which is nice. That's why we are going to make the most of it. Empty again, but they're so busy. The hotel is really busy. We didn't get the cottage we wanted. We get a different cottage, cheaper, but because it's called holiday now. And there are a lot of people now, especially it's a weekend. Mark is enjoying himself. Yeah. Itong tree, shrubs, ang ganda lang bulaklak niya. Never seen one. Ang ganda. Shrub. Ang dami lang boat. Most of the people here are fishermen. The dry fish, look. Dried fish. Ah, good idea. Dried fish. What if the dugwi on it? Wow, laki ng mangga. Mangga yan? My God. Yan ang huli, yan ang nahuli nyo? Yan ang nahuli nyo? Bigay? Ah, thank you. Ay, salamat. No, ito lang. Ito, isa lang. Ay, thank you. Ang bait naman, binigyan ako ng mangga. Ang galing. Makakatikim na ako.
Walang huli, madam. Huli, mangga.
Karamihan dito mga fisher folk. Ang ganda ng view. Maganda hapon. Aray ko. Ay. Hindi ko. Aray ko. Wow, ang daming tao. Oh, naliligo doon. Maganda ang view doon eh, sa pinaka-end. Mga bisita yun ng hotel. Aray ko. Wow, ang ganda ng tubig oh. Aray ko. Sunset. Sunset in Pebble Beach. Dami ng tao. Dami naliligo. Tapos may mangga ako. Binigyan ako ng mama. Ang lalaki. Ang lalaki ng iba. Ito yung pinakamaliit. Ah, nanghuhuli siya ng ano. Seafood. I'm feeling so hot. I'm just resting here. It's so nice to sit down by the pebbles. And just been looking for ice cream. Mark wants some ice cream. He's like a pregnant person. And I've been walking for so long. And there's no ice cream. Most of the shop doesn't sell ice cream. And then and a lot of them are closed. Maybe because it's afternoon and weekend, I'm not sure, but they're closed. And people say, oh, more some shops outside sells them, but it's too far, just too far. And I don't need exercise at the moment. Oh look, the boat is same color as my top. Pink. Oh, what a lovely sunset. Dumating na ang fisherman. Community share, community. Aray ko. Oh. It is really sad. This is our reality as a human being. We go and visit nice places and then left our rubbish behind.